the prophets. So now, the reason why I said it through the prophets, it is because of a disconnection between man and God. So now, God ufuna ukubuyisela le relationship